another number 2 track. It used to be number 1, but now it's number 2. Boeing 747. Boeing 747. First jumbo jet. Number 2 track. Bro, it's so rare. A 747 never lands.
Yeah, it's a Singapore cargo 747. It was number 1 track, now it's 2.
A 747 never lands. It's like basically never lands at Melbourne Airport. It's actually insane.
I want to see how loud it is.
Yeah. Bro, all these people leaving are missing out on such a rare moment.
Yeah.
Kanangen Ifenjong! Social Facey!
So after this, we have to go.
I guess. We could. I don't know.
Even your dad's
I lost my
recording
dad.
Even your dad's recording it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is actually gonna be insane.
Everyone is recording it.
Even the guy was like, 747! 747!
I lost it. Oh, there.
Everyone's recording it.
What's number 1 track? It's 2. All of the cool ones we've seen that pass here have been number 2 tracked.
You can kind of hear it.
It's beautiful.
Look at those gears! Look at all those gears!
The flaps. Speed brake.
The flaps and the speed brakes! Oh my gosh! 4 thrusters! You can hear it. Oh my god! This.
It buttered.
Oh!
Kind of.
That was actually a kind of butter.